Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to add a new field in contact form in ClickFunnels. Here I can open this one is demo funnel. Then I can edit one of the page from here. Scroll down, here you can find out this one, different sections. So this one is contact form. Now I want to add the phone number field, so let me click here to add new element. Then on the right side here you can see different elements. Select this one, form. Then here you need to select one of the element, so let me select this one, input, and then click here settings. Here we need to select the input type. For example, let me select this one, phone number. Then here we can replace the placeholder text, your phone. After that you can make this field required. Here you can see new field is added. Now let me click here save button and then preview this field. Here you can see that's working fine. Now if you want to add the message field, just you can go back, then select this one. Then here you can select the input type, you can select the custom type, whatever you want. After that click here save button, then preview. Here you can see message field is also added.